You are training to work as a tour guide at a botanical garden. Listen to your supervisor and repeat what she says. Repeat only once. Welcome to the botanical garden. Please stay on the designated paths at all times. Do not pick or damage any of the plants. The greenhouse is located in the north section of the garden. Guided tours depart from the main entrance every 2 hours. Visitors may purchase plants and seeds at the garden shop near the exit. If you require assistance, our staff members are stationed throughout the grounds and are happy to help.